Today is our first move-in day and we're all trying to get the house ready and packed. We are packing up the trailer and all of our bits ready for our first venture up to the farm with the trailer, with all the stuff. You're making a celebratory cake? It's farm move-in day cake. Right, let's get this trailer hopefully onto the car. Gone down a bit. Fortunately, Joe's car has a little camera on the back for parking. Look, it's not the most agricultural of vehicles, Joe's Audi, but it's got a tow bar. And until I got one on the Volvo or we get another vehicle, it's going to do just fine, and it tows great. And the camera, while it's cheating, works perfectly. Everything is set now. We keep forgetting different things. We've been back into the house about 5 times, but eventually, finally, we are ready to go. Hello, Missy. You okay? Right, ready to go right around the back, okay?
Everything I ever dreamed of.
Freezing.
We're alright on cupboards.
Windows. This looks weird.
It's alright, isn't it? What do you think? Ensuite?
All of the room.
We're never ever living here. Get that on camera.
I'm going it. Bye.
The odd night here and there.
You'll see me.
By yourself. This is no romantic retreat.
So we need to open up the barn doors and we're going to move the caravan in there. Right, first job, once I've got my wellies on, is to get this trailer, maybe this trailer and the caravan, in that barn. Now the bottom one opens, the top one is, well, it's got a bit of a wooden prop. And I'm hoping that that door will swing all the way open and we can just latch it open, drive everything under.
Wee-wee.
Whoa! Paragliding.
I know, I just got out the car, that's all. Hello.
Right, contents out. Instant terrace with a view. Now we're going to take this trailer up to the Dutch barn, bring the caravan in. Come and have a push, Rosa.
Push it.
Which side's the door?
This one.
Okay, so we're on. First cup of tea being made here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know,
Go careful.
if I
Go along, we're going to go and check out the small building. No, not down the slope, not down the slope. Walk down.
if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my hide.
Your keys all good.
Maggie, that's not
Can
yours.
say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Watching the dog. So this is the storage. So what we need to do is get this plastic.
Yeah.
Just, if we put any cardboard boxes in there, they're not going to last. If we go beyond that, someone's going to stand in it, aren't they? Or should we just do it?
These were camels.
Where the camels go,
Yeah.
I think do it here and then I'll cut those bits out so no one slips and...
Yeah, I definitely think it's all. Go all the way up, round.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Fortunately, this room is relatively dry as far as the roof goes. Windows and doors are okay, so just in case the floor gets damp, that'll just keep our cardboard from getting soggy.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
We'll go through all the buildings in time, but I'll quickly give you a reminder. This is the showpiece, eh? Yeah?
Oh yeah, we look a bit different in our layers.
This is the oldest of all the buildings and the most special, but it's going to take the most work. So for the time being, this will be machinery workshop sort of space. All the metalworking area sat ready for action. So hopefully we'll have some videos in here before too long.
And I really wanna know,
Another dog under the gate. Yeah, the aim for this building, well, it's a long-term dream, but if we ever do in-person workshops, our own workshop studio space, the second floor in here, there is going to be lots and lots of scope to get that done here.
I mean, we can start workshops in here soon.
We can,
but our dream is to like make it beautiful and then do workshops.
So it used to, oh thank you camera lady, this used to have a big timber truss roof, clay tiles, and obviously it's a 400-year-old building. That all got removed in this temporary kind of 40, 50 years ago, a steel frame got put in here. We're going to undo all that and put it back how it was one day.
But it's going to take time.
And a lot of money.
And a lot of money.
We'd rather have a house first. Oh, can you see that door that swung open? That's all of the feeders I bought in the auction the other week. Do you know what? This was our favourite bit when Mummy and Daddy viewed the farm for the first time. It's the one place where there's a bit more structure to it that's being left. I mean, it's got an asbestos roof like every building here. So. Just twist the side and then it will stop. Careful, I don't want you falling over at the beginning of the walk. You can go splat at the end. We haven't quite got 12-volt electrics working in the van yet, so we've only got 2 mains voltage lamps down that end, so we're a bit torch like this end. Mummy's made a salsa chicken bake.
Yeah.
But the girls
It's a bit hot. It's a bit hot
are all
still.
at home down here.
Darling, it's a bit hot.
So it'll be dinner time here, pack up,
Sorry.
head back home to bed.